Mom, the rain is still falling very hard.
Yes, it rained all night without stopping. Is school closed today because of the rain?
Maybe. The weather alert is getting worse now.
It's raining really hard. Is it dangerous for us to stay here?
We will stay calm and listen carefully.
Will the water come here to our house? No, Mia. We're safe inside. I won't let it touch you or Teddy.
I hope not. But we must watch closely.
The wind sounds very strong outside today. Sit here, Grandma. Please stay warm and safe.
Dad, water is already gathering on the street.
That is not good. It is rising quickly.
It is moving toward the houses now.
I do not like this at all.
Oh, sweetheart.
We need to prepare, just in case. Okay, Toby, it's time to gather the bags. I know you can do it.
Mia, bring your jacket and stay close.
Okay, Mommy.
We'll be all right. Can Teddy come too, please? Yes, Teddy can come with us too.
We need water, lights, medicine, and warm clothes.
My medicine is in that small box.
I have it, Grandma. Do not worry.
Everyone stay together and listen carefully.
Water is coming inside under the front door. Move away from the door right now.
It's gonna be okay. Come here.
Mom, I am scared of the water.
It's okay, sweetie. Everything will be all right. I'm right here with you. Breathe slowly, Mia. We are all together.
The backyard is flooding too. We must act. Can we still leave the house safely?
We must leave now before it gets worse.
Okay, let's go.
But the water is so high. We need to be fast.
Yes, quickly.
I will walk slowly, but I will try.
I will carry your bag for you, Grandma.
Thank you, my brave boy. That helps me.
Stay behind me and move carefully.
Okay, Dad.
We will, Ben.
Stay close, Toby.
Hold my hand tightly, Mia. Do not let go. We will get through this. You are brave.
I will not let go of your hand.
Ben, Clara, come over here to my porch. Leo's porch is higher than our yard.
The water is moving fast between the houses.
Use this rope to cross safely.
Good idea, Leo. Hold it steady.
We've got this.
We cross one by one, slowly and carefully.
Grandma can go first. and we will help her.
I will try. Please stay close to me.
Of course, Rose. We're right here. Almost there, Rose. Just one more step.
Thank you, Leo. I feel safer now.
Small steps, Mia. Keep holding my hand.
Careful, Toby. Do not release the rope.
I won't, Dad. I'm holding tight.
You're doing great, son.
I am holding tight and following you. The street is getting deeper every minute.
We cannot stay here long in this rain.
The rescue shelter is at the school.
I hear a siren coming from the road.
Stay where you are. I am coming closer.
A boat is coming to help us.
And I am dead. I can take you to the school shelter.
Thank you, officer. We really need help.
Elderly people and children first, please.
Hold my arm, Grandma, and step slowly.
Is Teddy safe too in the boat?
Yes, darling. Teddy is perfectly safe here with us.
Teddy is very safe beside you, Mia. Good job, Toby.
I'm helping everyone. I am ready now, and I can sit down.
Leo, come with us to the shelter.
I'll be fine here, Clara. Go.
I will wait here for the next boat. Are you sure you will be safe here? Yeah. I am safe up here, so go now. Everyone sit still while I steer the boat.
The water is so high around us.
It's okay, Mia. We'll be safe soon. Hold my hand. Do not look down. Look at me instead.
There is wood floating in the water.
Hold on. We are going around it now.
Oh,
The boat moved suddenly.
it's all right, dear. We are safe.
Everyone is okay. Stay seated and breathe.
I need a moment to rest. Of course, take your time. Are you dizzy, Grandma Rose? Just a little, but I'll be all right. A little, but I can manage.
We'll be there soon, Grandma.
The shelter has nurses who can help.
There is a dog alone on that porch. He is alone. And he looks cold.
I can get closer to that porch. Come here, little one. You are safe now.
We saved him, and he is with us now.
The shelter is close. We are almost there.
We are almost safe now, everyone.
Let me check you, ma'am. Come this way.
Thank you, nurse.
You're most welcome, Rose. Here's some water.
Thank you so much, dear. I feel very tired.
You are safe now. Please rest here.
We made it together as a family.
I was scared, but I helped everyone.
You were very brave today, Toby.
Can we call the little dog Rainy?
Rainy is a perfect name for him. Flood water is strong, but family is stronger.